welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some colors, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl meshewang, and if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Guys, how are you doing? Alright, so I'm here with another video, and today I am going to be showing you how I get this neon glitter liner. Alright guys, so I got some pigments and some eyeshadow pigments, and I wanted to try them out, so I decided why not try them out here on camera for you guys. So that's what I'm doing today. I am trying these pigments, guys. Sometimes I really love using pigments instead of the eyeshadow because pigments give me a really pigmented, bright eye look. Sometimes my eyeshadows, they don't give me that even when I'm using an eyeshadow base. So guys, to start off, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and you can check out my eyebrow tutorials which are already on my channel to see how I do my eyebrows. I haven't changed anything with the way in which I do my brows. For base, for my eyeshadow base, I use the P. Louise Rumor 1 base, and I am using my Crayoncase matte book palette eyeshadow palette right now for my transition shades. I used a blend of pink, orange, and purple, a little bit of purple for my transition shades. For my lid, I'll be using both purple pigment, and for the liner I'm gonna be using a hot pink pigment for the liner. You'll see that later on. And because I'll be using those two colors, that's the reason I'm using pink and orange and a little bit of purple, to darken it up a little bit for my transition. I go ahead and do a cut crease with the Rumor 1 base, the P. Louise Rumor 1 base again, and on top of this I'll be putting the purple pigment. Right, the purple pigment, I was using a regular eyeshadow brush. However, I noticed that this brush, it wasn't giving me a sharp, it wasn't putting on the pigment as well as I wanted to because it is so thick. And so I changed to a regular flatter brush. I just wanted something flatter to place the pigments on my lids, and that is what I'm doing right now, putting the purple on my lid. Okay guys, so at this point I was finished applying the purple pigment to my lids, and so I went over that with my eyeshadow brush to just even the pigments out on my lids. I am now going in with my white liner to make my liner on my eyes. I used white because I wanted defined lines in which to put my pink pigment and to do my glitter. I just didn't want to use black. I figured I'd use white because I wanted something to give me a little bit of pop, and so that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so I went ahead with the white line on the other eye, and I am now fixing my eye for my pink shadow. Okay, before applying any color to the area, I am putting a base there again because I want for my pink to pop as well. So I am putting my Rumor 1 base in the area again, and I am going to now add my pink pigments. After applying the pigments, we're going to apply some glitters. Of course, a girl can't do without glitters. We're going to add some glitters, so we're going to be using our NYX glitter primer, or whatever primer you have. You go ahead and apply to the pink and you put your glitters on. So I am right now putting my pink in the area, being careful not to mess up the white liner. because that would just defeat the purpose. We'd have to go back over the lines with the liner if should in case you mess the liner up. But I'm taking extra care not to mess up because I really don't want to do that additional step. So I am right now, as I said, adding my pigment, after which we'll go ahead and add the glitters. So these are the glitters. The glitters that I'm using are a blend of orange, pink, and purple, so they blend perfectly with the colors that I am using today on my eyes. Okay guys, so that's basically the eye look. I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and you can get these lashes from Beauty Marked by Wang on Instagram. And I did my foundation off camera as well. I've been using this a lot lately, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. For highlights and contour, I'm using the basics. I'm using my LA Girl Cool Tan concealer for my highlights, and I'll be using my Black Radiance contour palette for my contour, using what I'm always using to set my highlights, which is my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my LA Colors contour palette to set those contour areas. For my blush, I'll be using my LA Colors blush palette, and for highlights, as always guys, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glowkit. Alright, so felt I needed a second dose of a second round of highlight, so I topped that up. I did an additional round of my highlight, which you're seeing right now, and yeah, so that's basically the look. That's basically all I did for this look. Alright, so guys, I've already set my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and my LA Girls contour palette. I used a brown liner to line my lips, and I am using my ELF Nostalgic Lippie for my lips. I was trying to show it to you there, but that wasn't working out. I am now blending everything together on my face, and I am going to be using my rose water spray to set my face. Okay guys, so here goes the finished look. Let me know how you feel about this look. I am really loving the look. The pigment came through for your girl. Guys, thank you as always for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also like. Bye.